Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to update your relationship status on Facebook to It's Complicated using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, find the About section. It's usually located below your cover photo or in the menu options on your profile page. Click on it to proceed. Within the About section, locate and click on Family and Relationship from the menu options available. This is where you'll manage all details related to your relationship status. Next, look for your current relationship status. You'll see an Edit icon. It looks like a small pencil or pen. Right next to it, click on this icon to start editing. From the drop-down menu that appears, select It's Complicated as your new relationship status. Once selected, double-check everything to ensure it's accurate. Finally, click Save to confirm the changes. Congratulations! Your relationship status is now updated to It's Complicated, and your friends will be able to see this new update based on your privacy settings. That's all it takes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a little help navigating Facebook. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.